Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start without blocks in Block Blast. So I've seen a lot of people saying that in their Android device, whenever they tap on the classic mode, they get blocks in it. However, they have seen some other people when they click on the classic mode, they don't get any blocks on their board. So how you can actually start your game without having blocks on them. So in order to do it, you just have to simply open your Block Blast game, and here if you tap on the adventure option, as you can see that your game will start with blocks in it. However, we don't want to start our game with blocks, so if I tap on the classic mode, as you can see that our classic game has also started with blocks. But if you want this board without blocks, you will have to get the iPhone. It is because in the iPhone version you will get the clear board without any blocks when you tap on the classic mode option. But if you are using Android just like me, even if you tap on the replay option, you won't get the board without the blocks. So this is what it is. You can just keep on trying, or the second method what you can do is you can just simply go back, and here you just have to long press on Block Blast game. Afterwards you will have to tap on the clear data, and from here you will have to clear all data, and then you will have to relaunch your Block Blast game. Now once you relaunch it, it will ask you for the permissions and allow you the notifications. Now it will show you some of the tutorials, so you just have to simply do it very quickly. Now you will see that even in your Android device, your game started with clear board and without any blocks in it. So this is a little trick that you can try for your Android device. I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section below.